let's get everything stopped. As soon as you realize. Stop and stop. I always click on the wrong one. I really should just make these system defaults. I kind of waste a lot of time doing this with a lot of my shit. I guess I'm doing 132. I'm always doing 132 now that I think about it. I should do a 64 sometime. Just to see that I can. Good luck remembering this shit. STL2 main.lib, STL2 underscore image.lib. I think that was it. I gotta look it up. STL2.lib. Forgot that one. STL2 main. STL2 underscore image. Wow, I actually got that. Cool. Alright. Doesn't matter. I'm definitely forgetting something. I get the feeling I'll figure out what it is. There it is. Wow. Does it build? Yes. Hey, how's it going, man? Don't mind me, just doing some folder stuff over here. Shit. Cancel, cancel, cancel. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna need certain files. I'm going to need collisions for sure. And we're gonna need my drawing and window tools and utility. Copy all that. Jump test. Paste. Cool. Does it still build? Conversion from float to int. Makes sense. Why did I make this? Oh my god, I forgot all about this function. Oh wow, this was a while. I'm not making a game today, or I'm not playing a game today, I'm going to be coding today to see if I can figure out some jump code. But I just found some old code right here. This is when I was trying to make my own blit function. And apparently I never finished it. Because I just got a bunch of temporary code in here. I forgot all about this. I really need to finish that someday. Just because it would be really cool to be able to do that with my code. I forgot all about that. I'm going to leave that alone. Alright, I need to do some drawing. MS Paint. Oh god, that's so bright. Resize. A little bigger. I guess that's fine. Alright, so oh wait, no. Should be all I need. Everything else is fine. Fixing your PC? Are you asking? No, I'm not fixing my PC, if that's what you're asking. I'm just writing some code. I'm gonna make a little jump test for seeing if I could get jumps to work in a game. Alright, so input, key press. Escape. go. And there it is. I can't move it. Why can't I move it? I did something wrong. Oh yeah, I definitely did something wrong. Oh, I'm a fucking moron. I didn't update my fucking input. That kind of matters. I don't know why I keep doing that. There we go. When you can't move your window, you know you did something wrong. Fix that one real quick at least. Alright, let's change the color. Let's find us a nice pleasant color to look at. Oh, God. I think something around the bluish color. In fact, right about there. 79 111 164. 79 111 164. Much better. That's so much better on the eyes. It's not bright and painful like what they had. Alright, I'm gonna need time. Everybody needs time. Yoink. Problem solved. It's so hard to look at this with a massive font. I only do it for you guys so you can see the code. I don't need that. Just Alright, so in a stage this big, how big do I want my shit to be? I'm gonna guess like that. And that, maybe? Well, it's easy. Just do 1280 divided by 4, 320. There we go. 320. New. Well, what's the width of this, though? ish. Resize. Clearly made a mistake there. Show me the grid lines. You're not gonna scroll for me, are you? Yeah. That look right? No. Wow. Why are you such a dick? Just draw the damn thing. There we go. That looks better. Yeah, it's I gotta make the assets. The code's behind me. I'm making an art asset. Alright, so let's do a color of, I don't know. Actually, the color's fine, I think. File, save as. Ground block. Ping. Save it right to the desktop for now. Alright, so I got 2 of those. I need a player object. So the player, let's see. File, new. Resize the motherfucker to 1280 by 960. How big should he be? Let's go with something like that. How big are you? 60 by 120. So we'll do 64 by 128. Resize. Box. Good enough. What the fuck is that? Those 2, cut them, put them in the directory. What's it called? Stop doing that. I'm not dropping frames on OBS, but it wouldn't surprise me. I'm running on fucking Comcast. You know how Comcast gets with their tiny penis internet pipes. They always give me shit. Just test to make sure they draw. What'd I call it? Ground? Yeah. Just make sure it works. Okay, it does work. Alright. Let's draw this shit. And the way that I want it. Alright, so I want what? Should make a freaking collision thing for it. Alright, here's what we'll do. And include vector. Is it box? You know what helps? If you pound include the file. Bam. It is box, okay. Come on, my memory's not that good. You're gonna make me look it up. Box. box, box. Constructor takes top left, top, okay. X, Y with height, I can do that. Alright, let's see. X is easy, 0. The Y though, that's gonna be screen height minus image height of the ground. Height is image height, width is image width. So image width is image width. Image height is image height. There we go. Let's new line this shit. There we go. And now terrain, add, pushback, whatever. Ground piece. Now did it work? For unsigned int I equals 0, I is less than terrain dot size plus plus I. Take that away. Text draw ground at terrain sub I dot top left TL dot X. Terrain sub I dot TL dot Y. Build. I should see a box in the bottom left corner. Oh yeah, bottom left corner. Man, that's a lot smaller than I thought. It's okay. Damn, I really wish that was longer. That's a little disappointing, actually. Pretty sure if I ground piece set. Come on, man. I don't remember this class. It was like 8 months ago before I coded this thing. Mutators. Center, width, height, rotation, move. There we go. I can move it. Move. How much? I want to move it by image width. Zero. Beautiful. Alright, that works. Alright, same concept. Keep adding pieces. So now I can say ground piece equals box. Yeah. See, I'm glad I coded all the constructors for this fucker. Makes things a lot easier. Alright, so he is going to start at screen width minus image width. His Y is going to be the same that it's always been. XY with height. Fix this. Beautiful. Alright, now I need to figure out how I'm going to create this player. All that's just generating terrain. You can ignore it. Draw terrain. Alright, so how do I want to do this? Do I want a player object? Seems like it would be easiest if I made a player object, but at the same time I'm just kind of doing a test, so maybe I should just do it all in main. While I mull that over, I'm going to go get another drink. I'll be right back.
Mic on. Mic off.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's see. I think I'll make... I'm wondering if I should just make a struct for a player. Nah. For now, I will make everything right here in main. And if it gets to be too much, then I'll make a freaking class. Oh, really? He has a position. He has a movement. What else does a player have? I guess that's it for now. He probably has a bool for whether he's jumping, but I'll get to that when I get to that. Alright, we also need something like gravity. So gravity is going to be moving down at a certain rate per second. I don't know what that second is for now, so 200. Why are you red underlined? Have you noticed that the red underlines are like half and half in my ass? Alright, cool. I'll draw the player second. Text draw player at position.x position.y. If input key down, key press, let's go key down. If I am pressing the W key, what? Oh, lowercase w, I'm sorry. That's always been a mind fuck to me. Then, movement should add how much? I need a speed. That's another thing I need. I'll do a float speed 200. What? If key down STLKS Input key down. STLKA. Movement plus equals point. Negative speed 0.0. If input key down. What? No one believes you. Don't I have just a setter? Hold on. I said hold on, I'm busy! Why do you always do this? You wait till I stream! Then you're like, meow, help, I'm abused! He feeds me too much! He's too overbearing! Come here, you little kitty cat. I love you too, little furry bastard. I don't have one. I really should have a reset function. I can't believe I don't have one. That's kind of impressive. Fuck it, I'm gonna make one real quick. I mean, it's the same as the X and Y. I could just make an XY function. Well, whatever. There you go. That makes things a lot better. Alright. Am I drawing by movement? No. No, I'm not. Yeah. Speed's kind of pathetic, but I can up that. There we go. That's better. Wah! Wah! Alright, we got gravity. Let's give it a shot. So now I should be feeling the pull of gravity no matter what. Oh, I can't fight it. Oh, I'm going down. I have no collisions. Goodbye, world. Alright. Yes. Alright, let's turn off gravity for a moment and add in the actual collision code here. Handle collision? Is that it? You're gonna make me look it up again, aren't you? Handle collision with a push percent. with a 1. Come here. I love you too, but you annoying the hell out of me right now. Come here. Come here. Did I make the player a box or a point? Because it shouldn't be a position. Yeah, this is wrong. He needs to be a box. So actually you're a box. What? God damn it, cat. I swear, I was just down there. I saw your food bowl. It's overflowing. I saw your water bowl. It's overflowing. It's not raining. You can go out on the porch if you want. I don't know what you want from me. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Why don't you come here? Come on. Come on. See? You... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get up, and I'm gonna go pick you up. And you're gonna be held for at least a minute. I'm gonna pet you for that whole minute, and there ain't nothing you can do. You understand? All right. Come on. Come on. Nope. Nope. You're not getting away. You wanted to be held and petted. I'm holding you, and I'm petting you. Nothing you can do. You're so insistent. I gotta pet you now. Nope, nope, nope. You're not leaving. No, no. You were begging for this attention. You were begging for this attention. Now that you got it, too bad. You gotta take it. You gotta take all of it. I'm petting you. What is your problem, huh? Where are you going? You wanted this. You wanted this. Alright, you gonna be good now? Alright, you can go. Go on. Jeez. No winning with these cats. Alright, now I gotta fix everything where I just did this. Yeah. Move by movement. What? You don't take a whole point? That can't be right. It really is. Box. Move. Move. Float XY. Isn't that what I did? Void. Move. Point. Movement. This center plus equal movement. Bam. You're welcome. Address of position. Address of terrain sub II. Should be good. What? Motherfuck. Stop. Build. Am I actually online? Yeah, it says I am. Got it backwards. There we go. I'm confused because 1, 0 means nothing can stop A, but that's not true. 0 means nothing can stop B. 1 means nothing can push A. Bam. Alright, put in gravity. How do I determine? How do I determine if something is falling or not? Only things that are falling should be applicable to gravity, right? Yes. Come here. Okay, I don't know what you want. We're not playing this game all night. I have to check on him if he keeps getting like this. That shouldn't be a global. Breakpoint. Not hitting it good. Now, yep. Sounds good. It's working. What do you want, cat? Where you at? God damn it. You want me to kick your ass? Am I supposed to be up here? Watching you. I'm sorry about that, guys. My cat's being really needy, and I don't know why. You can see him trying to jump. Surprised that didn't work though. Let's see. X0, if falling, add to the Y. Times elapsed. That's a problem. Yep, that is a problem. Good point. That's where it is. I should make it go a little faster as I fall. Oh, God. A little faster. Oh, man. Was I way wrong about that? That kind of went a little too fast. Maybe I should do it right there. Everywhere you do this, you're going to be wrong. It should have been fine to multiply it right here. I don't know what I did wrong there. That disturbs me that there's a hole like that. It's adding too much gravity too fast. I definitely need a max speed. Let's say if it's greater than twice that, then you cap it at that. You never go greater than a certain speed. There we go. But do you fall? I can't tell if it's getting faster or not. Oh, no, you can't tell because it's only 2 frames. Because I'm an idiot. I'm definitely doing this wrong. I gotta figure out how I'm doing that. So that's only 3 frames, so you still won't be able to see it. Just that you fall really fast. Yeah. I'm very concerned that there's, yeah, right there. There's a problem with my collisions. Great. How am I supposed to do this? Jesus. Apparently that's way too much. We're talking about per frame. I don't know what's too fast per frame. I really don't know what I'm doing here, do I? Not really. I think my problem is my speed is just too much, you know? Like my speed needs to be like 50. Oh fuck. I meant gravity speed. That way it actually adds up, and then if my speed gets past a point, care. But what is that speed that I should care about? the speed I should care about is how many frames, how many things a second. Let's say 100. So if temp y is greater than 100 times elapsed, that's not gonna make no sense. It's getting faster. Not enough to, whoa. Not enough to matter. So it's adding 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Eventually, that speed's too slow. And this is too fast. I don't understand what I'm doing with, I clearly don't understand what I'm doing. Clearly. Yeah. It's gonna take 8 years for it to come down. Alright, I gotta rethink pretty much everything I'm doing here, because everything I'm doing here is pretty much wrong. Movement. So, velocity. Movement is 0 every frame. Your velocity should stay the same, right? I don't know why I can't think of this. This is a very basic thing and I can't even wrap my head around what I'm trying to do. In fact, I've even coded this before. Should be. Creeps me out every time I see that. Whatever, I don't remember the fucking link. Ah! This is pissing me off. So I can't think for some reason. What am I trying to do? Yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. So at the end, it's simply this plus this. Alright, cool. So every frame velocity is set to 0. Then velocity just adds all the shit together. What? No, there's a way to do it. I made a function for it. Like dot set, I think it was. Alright. If I'm falling, you add that to it. If I'm pressing buttons, you add this to it. Either way, this shit adds up to some kind of velocity. Now at the end, movement plus equals your velocity times the elapsed time, which we will wrap in parentheses to make sure that shit goes. Now your position simply moves by movement. Now every frame, velocity will get reset and all that shit will add to it again. But the movement will stay the same. Does that solve my problem? I don't know. Oh god. No, it did not. Why? I'm definitely doing something wrong, and I have no fucking clue what. I mean, I see part of the problem is that I don't have a cap at all. So every frame movement adds even more and more velocity. So like even when I hold my finger down for like half a second, that's like 60 frames of adding velocity, which is way too much. So I need to find a way where I cap my movement speed. So what is my max speed? It needs to be something ridiculous. Well, I put it here. Just put it with everything else. I don't fucking know. Really fast. I can't think. I've coded this before too. That's the most insulting part. And now I can't figure out how to do the basics. It's like I'm having the worst brain fart. But that's okay. You also got to do negative speeds now that I think about it. Because that only covers to the right and to down. To the right. But if I go left... Oh, yeah. I didn't realize. I didn't think about that. You're absolutely right. Doop. It's like slippery ice now. But if I tap left, he'll zoom off. See? Alright, at least I figured one part out. Other thing I gotta figure out is that I have complete control over my X movement. So no matter what, movements X is 0 at the beginning. I have complete control over that. It's the up that is challenged. I thought I had a function for min-maxing. Same sign, min-max. That's not what it's supposed to be. Absolute value. Same sign. What the hell are you? That's obviously for my collisions. Min-max overlap, overlap distance, minimum distance. I thought I had a function for... Fuck you then. I do now. We're making it. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, sat overlap is a big one. right here. Should solve it, right? Nice. Now I gotta get the actual jump to work, because I can fly. Cool. Actually surprised about that. Cool. Alright, well I got one part. If falling, apply gravity. Now how do I do jump? Jumping is special. If not falling, that's what I'll do. Let's start with that. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta think about this. Alright, let's see. I think right now I have a little baby hop. Baby hop, yep. That's because the moment I get off the ground, I'm considered falling again. So I need jump to last a few seconds. Jump time. I can jump for a full second. How's that? Guess I could do it here. That way, if it's the first frame that you're jumping, it'll get set to 0. If it's not the first frame, you'll get that elapsed and it won't get into there. So do that. Yeah, you don't need to do that. Huh. I didn't think about that. There's a potential problem with that. I bet if I spam the W key, he'll start flying. But we'll find out, won't we? I shouldn't have to use the same bull. 2 bulls to represent. You know, 2 bulls that are always the opposite of each other seems pretty stupid. Oh, fuck. Not quite. Did I not add? I thought I added jump time elapsed. Jump time greater than max jump. Falling. True. Jumping falls. That was kind of funny. Wow, how did that fuck up? Because of the key down. That's how. Duh. Should be good. Not at all. Now jumping's broken. Because you never get in here because you're never jumping the first time. God damn it. You're a pain in the ass. Then I should be checking for what? Shit. I immediately regret that decision. This whole thing's gonna have to go. It's not working. If I'm not falling, and they press the key for jumping. Key pressed. And I'm not jumping. Jumping is true. Falling is false. Why did I set falling? Falling was already false. You don't need to be here anymore. Add the elapsed time. That's a second? That is a second. Holy shit. It's a bit much. And why does it still add? It shouldn't still add. And why does it look laggy as fuck? Doesn't that look like it's lagging? It does. That's weird. It looks laggy as fuck. That is pathetic. Alright, one. So gravity's always getting applied, but why the velocity was able to go so far up despite gravity? I don't get that. What the fuck? I didn't do that, did I? What did you do? Move my fucking... Okay. Why are you moving my breakpoint? Oh my god, I'm in fucking release, first of all. Good job. How long have I been in fucking release? That's why. Already looks 10 times better. Still. What's going on here? Because it gets set to 0 every frame. But why? this part shouldn't get added. Which is why, because movement is still a big number. Ah. So there's the problem. So I get in here every frame. Can put it here. If you let go of the key, you can start falling. That's that problem. There we go. But if I hold it, I can only jump so high, even though I made it way too fucking high. Whereas if I just tap it and then let go, there we go. That's one problem. Jeez, I need to look up fucking instructions on how people code jumping, because I feel like I'm clawing around in the dark here. What was I about to look at? Another thing I noticed I'm doing is I jump at a high rate that doesn't slow down. It seems like when you jump in games, the higher you get, the slower you start to ascend as gravity is starting to pull you back down, right? So what I should do is have it where when you jump, gravity is slowly chipping away at it. That's not a bad idea. And then have gravity pull you back down. A second is way too long. I definitely underestimated that. There we go. A quarter of a second's not quite enough. Half a second? That might work. Oh yeah, that's easy. So what's a real challenge, like 0.33? Oh yeah. That's fun. All right. Yeah, I got some things I gotta think about still. Oh, I have to think about how jumping's supposed to work, because this not quite sustainable. I mean, I got 800 variables and it doesn't feel right. This doesn't feel right. It doesn't look right. I'm definitely doing something wrong. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna read some articles on how to jump. It's funny how, you know, Super Mario coded in the 80s has better jumping than this program I just made now. I gotta figure out what I'm doing wrong. But you like my collisions. If there's one thing I got, it's fucking collisions. Though I'm still hitting a bump right there. I gotta figure out why that is. It shouldn't be a bump there. It's because of the floating point errors of the box. This box is defined with decimal points from here to here. The ground is defined by decimal points from here to here. And so because they're decimal points, they have that precision problem, and apparently it's really affecting right about there. So no one wants to play a game where they're walking and suddenly they get stuck on the ground. So I'd have to figure that shit out. What just happened? Alright, So I'm gonna I'm gonna end this stream, and in a few minutes I'm gonna start playing Zelda. So in about 10 minutes I'll be back with Zelda. Thanks for watching.